Welcome to Lin Imaging's how-to video series. Today we're learning how to clear a paper jam on the HP DesignJet XT950. In the event of a jam, first look in the front of the machine where paper exits the printer. You can flip up the panel and carefully remove any jam from this area. Next, check the rear of the machine where the paper feeds. Lift up the cover and make sure the paper roll is feeding correctly, and reseat it if necessary. If there is a jam in the small format tray, first lift up the guide and pull open the tray. Clear any jam from this area, then close the tray and lower the guide. Around the back of the machine, locate this area and remove the panel by pinching the two gray tabs together and sliding it out. Clear the area of any jam, then slide the panel back in, making sure it is seated correctly. With that, we've learned how to clear a paper jam on the HP DesignJet XT950.